Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery on SJCAM SJ8 PRO. To do it, find the door at the bottom, then slide them out towards the arrow. You can see I just need to slide them out like that. They will open themselves and there's the battery. Pull this little tab and you can see the battery is out. Now you can either charge the battery, because the device can be charged in two different ways. You can either charge the battery with a dedicated charger for the battery with these 3 pins. It has to be a proper one from SJCAM, and also you can just replace it with a different battery. You can have multiple batteries and replace them so you never run out of power. Put it back in with the arrow facing the front of the camera with the lens. And also if you don't have this arrow for any reason, the pins need to align. So you can see the pins now will align. So let's put it in. Let's close the door, slide them back on, and the battery is in. I can turn the device on. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.